Hey all, this is Shubhankar here from Quansap. So in today's video, we are going to understand a part of IV tool which is IV slash HV hyphen historical. So it is showing us the historical data of IVs and the HVs. So I can change my symbol over here. So we have selected Nifty right now. I can select any of my desired stock or desired index, whatever you wish to. You can select it from the symbol panel. You can change your historical volatility days which you want to take into consideration while calculating the HV, which is historic volatility. You can take it for 30 days as well. You can change the from date to date. So now it will be showing us the data from 13th of March up till 14th of March 2021. I can change my data from and to date data. So this is the current future price of Nifty, which is 15,036, and the graph below, the orange line is showing us Nifty's future price and the green line is showing us the implied volatility of Nifty, and the red line is showing us the historic volatility of Nifty. So if I want to see the tabular view, if the graphical view, if it is getting quite confusing, so you can always refer the tabular view wherever in the application. If we have a graphical view, most of the cases you will have a tabular view as well. So I'll directly get to see on what date. So date is 10th of March, IV is 20.71 and HV is 23.94. So I'm getting to see that future price of Nifty is 15,209. Similarly, on 9th of March 21, IV of Nifty was 22.8 and the future price was 15,134.75. So it is kind of an inverse relation which we are seeing in Nifty's future price and IV's. Over here, Nifty's IV, it was at the very highest level, which was 25.66. It witnessed a drop which was 14,969. IVs took a cooler down approach the next day. Nifty's future price actually shooted up. So I can always come on to IV slash HV dash H to have a look upon the historical data of IVs and the HVs to make a reference point for my desired script. If I click on IV minus HV, so it is showing us the data which is IV minus the historic volatility. How much exactly the difference was. So the red color bars, they are indicating that IV minus HV, so which is indicating that IV was trading below its historical volatility. Okay, the green color bars are showing us that on that day implied volatility was trading above its historic volatility. So talking about on the day of 3rd of March 2021, IV minus HV, so it was 3.94% negative, so which is indicating that IV was trading below its historical volatility. If I just click on the checkbox again, it will be resetted automatically. So as you saw, it is IV is trading below its HV, so that's the reason it was showing us red color symbols out here. So as you can see, it was trading below its HV. So you can see the difference is minus 1.58%. So yeah, that was it pretty much from this tool for today. Thank you all for joining me up till here. See you all in the next video. To stay notified with the same sort of content, you can hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon as well to get notified. Also, you can refer Quansap to one of your friends. So in that case, you will earn 100 rupees reward points and your friend earns 500 rupees reward points in his Quansap account, which you can avail it in further purchases made in Quansap.